Managing rates in Web Reservations online booking system. You'll notice we've made some changes as to how we manage rates. BookingCenter no longer uses seasons. Now rates are set on a daily basis, and this will give you much more control to quickly adjust your rates to match events and changing demand. You'll remember there are two basic types of rates: the flat rate, where there's one price for all occupants of a room, and again there's a per person rate where the rate increases based on the number of guests. Now when we go into our members area and look at availability rates, you'll see there's a rate grid, manage rates, and default rates. In the default rates, you can see some of the rate types are per person and some are flat rates. You'll notice that this double room rate here, the DBL, is a per person rate. Default rates are now only used to add a new rate, or if you need to delete an old rate that you're no longer going to use, or even change a rate if you want to change it from a flat rate to a per person rate or the other way around. Now obviously when you set up a new rate you'll enter the prices, but when you change prices in the default rates, they don't affect your current rate, so you'll need to do that in manage rates. When we go to manage rates, we select the week we want to start with. Let's start now setting a rate for the year ahead for the double room, and we'll select as many weeks as we can, in this case 57, and we'll click find. So you first want to set your base rate. Now this was a per person rate, so it's for the first two people, charging 120. Let's say we decide we're going to want to change that, and if it's the same rate for the whole week, we'll tick the fill box, and that way if we change 120 to 125, it'll automatically fill in all of the rest of the days of the week. And maybe we have under restrictions, maybe we have a minimum stay on Friday and Saturday night, so we'll save those changes by clicking save. So you can see that we use manage rates to adjust pricing and any restrictions such as minimum stay or maximum stay. Once you set up your base rates for the year or so ahead, then you can go ahead and adjust the rates that you may want higher or lower individually for different times of the year. So now let's say we want to set up a rate for Christmas. So we click on Christmas week, select our rate, and now we're only going to apply the changes to 1 week. So we click find. Let's double check and make sure you're only changing that 1 week, not 57 when you need to. So if this week is December 19th to 25th, so let's say 24th and 25th, we want to have a higher rate here. Maybe we'll make it 150 a night for those 2 nights, and the minimum stay is going to be 3 nights on each of those. Perhaps on Christmas you don't want anyone, so you can tick close to arrival on that date and click save. Next you want to use the rate grid to view your rates and minimum stays. You can view up to 60 weeks ahead and use the show extended details to see all of your minimum stay. So we'll tick the box that says show extended details. Let's just check and make sure those prices we set for Christmas came out correctly. Just 4 weeks will be fine there. Click refresh. And we can see that normally our double room is 125. But when we get down to December 24th and 25th, it's gone up to 150, and the minimum stay has gone up to 3. So you can see there's some advantages to using the new managed rates. You have the flexibility to adjust your rates quickly, and different room types can now have a different minimum stay. So give us a call if you have any questions about managing rates. Thank you.